Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. Don't worry, trust Jesus. In every life you'll have some trouble, but when you worry, you make it double. Don't worry, trust Jesus. But don't worry, trust Jesus now. Don't worry, trust Jesus. Don't worry, trust Jesus. Look at the birds, they don't grow crops, but your Father's love for them never stops. So don't worry, trust Jesus. Consider the lilies, they do not spin, but look at the lovely clothes they're in. Don't worry, trust Jesus. Don't worry, trust Jesus now. Don't worry, trust Jesus. Don't worry, trust Jesus. When you worry, you want to quit, and that won't help you out one bit. Don't worry.
Well, babe, I survived. This is the tree that's still hanging from the other tree. You see what I did to the table I was standing on. Figured that would happen. That's why I ran like a madman. So, as you can see, the yard's still covered in trees here. So in case you're wondering what I did tonight, we got one less tree in the backyard. Still got to pull the rest of that thing down. Hope you're having fun at Disney, baby. I love you. Bye-bye.